like I told you, this electronic is 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter with active area 28 centimeter by 28 centimeter. It's something very interesting for portable. It's a portable devices. This electronic have only 1 centimeter. Look, it's very thickness. So even my finger, it's bigger than the thickness of the electronic. So you can place this very fast under the table with double tape, or you can put in any slim table when you buy the electronic. And it's working with matte dice or transparent dice. And it's portable and very cheap. Let's test with this matte dice with the remote control. The remote control in this case it's in the hand, but we can make also for you directly from the shoe. So let's make 2 hands big, 2 hands small. So big, let me see, 6'5". Wait a moment to focus. Again, big. 6'5". Make again big. 6'5", and now make it small for bar move. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. 2, 1. Make it again. 2, 1. Let me focus. Again. 2, 1. So this is something very beautiful, very simple. We produce this for 800 euro, and this system you can play backgammon, barboot, or any other game. The active area, again I tell you, it's 28 by 28 centimeters square. So you have a big area to catch the dice for a portable device. The autonomy of this system, it's 1100 pushes, like 1 second when you press the remote control, or it can be 550 pushes when you press for 2 seconds the remote control. You have 2 buttons, A and B. The remote control we can set up also in the shoes, in your personal shoes, by 2 remote controls, 1 remote control A and another remote control single button B, and like this you can control the dice. To come fixed faces, like 1 face and the opposite, or variable 4 faces, or variable 6 faces. So we can set up also the dice exactly like you need. We can make matte dice, we can make transparent dice, we can make in your dice, we can make in our dice. We have dice machine, we can put serial number, we can make system dice with magnetic system inside, we can make clean with the same serial number, and so on. And what is the most important, this electronic is completely non-magnetic. Take a big magnet, check now the dice, take the dice, take the remote control. Put also for the remote control the magnet. And now check the surface. Wait a moment to focus. Check it. By the way, this electronic doesn't make noise, no heating. The autonomy is very big, minimal 500 pushes. You can play all night with 1 single charge, and the charger is a professional charger. So everything is ready for you to have a portable slim device by battery and non-magnetic, of course with magnetic dice. Take the electronic, pick up the electronic and rotate please. Here is the charging point, and here is the on-off. And here we just make for you engraving or painting active area. For 800 euro you have a good solution, you can put in any place. So in my opinion, you can take 1, 2, 3 pieces and you can start produce for you. Can be square or can be round or can be oval. We can make of course also bigger surface, and we can make also higher to work from the electronic up even 1.5 meters if you need.